I'll put this on YouTube. So hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I'm Soumya and I am so happy. Okay, the next video that you will see is in the same clothes. So don't know. I repeat clothes. One thing. I have been waiting for this order since so long and in all my heart. Okay, I have stories behind this. This video is going to be really long. Okay. So I ordered Peach by Vishnu. I love Vishnu Kaushal. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram or you have seen a few of my videos जिसमें मैंने बात की है विष्णु कौशल के बारे में, then you know that I love him and yeah, that's it. So I ordered the entire Fueled by Art collection. Why is my hand so red? I ordered the entire Fueled by Art collection, which had the crop top and everything else. Then I received a package. You know, like 7-8 days back or 10 days back. And I just received the crop top. Okay. And then I have worn it once. ये मैंने package ऐसे लिया. And then I was really disheartened. Then I messaged Vishnu Kaushal and I emailed on the Super Clan Valley site. Vishnu messaged me back and he was like, don't worry, I'll get it fixed and everything like that. I was like so happy, jumping. अब मैं ठीक है कोई नहीं आ गया लेट हो गया कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Then वो Super Clan के साथ सब बात हुई and now the rest of my order is here. You guys cannot hear me screaming. I'm screaming so loud inside. Okay, so I'm going to open this Peach by Vishnu. Okay, not gonna edit it. Okay, this is like little peach here. Opening. The bag, the tote bag. I am so happy. Shit. Open things one by one. Sounds little. Have a good day, bestie. Thank you, bestie. Okay. If you're watching this, I love you. I also have a sweatshirt for Rainbow Collection. I love it. Like I have worn it. This is so pretty. I am just screaming. Like look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna wear it soon. If you wanna see my pictures, go follow me on Instagram. Very really soon. Then मैं ना साथ साथ रखूँगी. Please don't mind, this video will be long, but I just love it. Okay. I'm so happy. So happy. God. Okay. Clothes. Wow. Soumya. Best. Wow. I love it. ऐसे बनाऊंगी मैं. Nice. T-shirt. This is pretty. Okay. This looks so good. I am a really nice coach. Look at this. This is so pretty, guys. This is pretty. Okay, this is what art is like. And the joggers. Good job. Wow. I am. Yeah, you cannot see me, but I am literally jumping, and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. Wait, let me see. मैं रोऊंगी नहीं इसमें. मैं ना पता है आई रिकॉर्ड जब भी मैंने कुछ मंगवाया आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड एवरी सिंगल टाइम. आई हैव सेंड टू हिम एंड आई हैव cried every single time when I had it. But I was so sure that I would not cry this time. I wanted to be normal and not cry. So I'm so proud of you and जल्दी जल्दी next collection चाहिए and please restock वो peach वाली t-shirts so that I can get it as well. मुझे सब चाहिए सारी सब चीज़ें. Okay, and I love you. Thank you for making this. This is gonna be my comfort clothing for sure. Like I'm so sure about it. But yeah, it is already my comfort clothing. I'll wait to wear this. I'll wait. But I was unable to wait. Now I wore it. Okay, I'm so happy. Oh God. I am controlling my tears, to be honest. Really. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. And जैसे आपने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया कि आप मुझसे मिलोगे तो आपको मिलना होगा. ओके, इफ़ यू आर सीइंग दिस तो मिलना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई लव यू.